Reading backward, an editing power move. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into a unique and powerful strategy for editing and proofreading called reading backward. Ever heard of it? Whether you have or haven't, by the end of this video, you'll know why it's so effective and how to use it in your own writing process. Reading backward means literally reading your text in reverse order, word by word, sentence by sentence. Instead of starting at the beginning of your essay, story, or article, you begin at the end. This technique is not about understanding the content, it's about catching errors. Why is this effective? When we read text in the usual way, our brains sometimes auto-correct mistakes. By reading backward, we disrupt the narrative flow and our brain focuses solely on each individual word, making it easier to spot errors. 1. Focus on words, not content. This method forces you to look at the words, not the meaning. This makes it easier to catch spelling mistakes. 2. Breaks familiarity. If you've written and read your work multiple times, you tend to skip over errors because you know what's coming. Reading backward breaks this familiarity. 3. Grammar and punctuation check. It's easier to spot missing punctuation, like a forgotten period or an extra comma, when you're not wrapped up in the content. 4. Spots repetition. When you're reading word by word, from the end to the beginning, repeated words or phrases become more noticeable. 1. Start at the end. Begin with the last sentence of your document. Read it, check for errors, then move to the previous one. 2. Go word by word. Once you're comfortable with sentences, try reading backward word by word. This is especially effective for spotting spelling mistakes. 3. Don't seek meaning. Remember, you're not trying to understand the content. You're looking for errors, so don't worry if the content doesn't make sense. 4. Combine with other techniques. While reading backward is powerful, it should be one tool in your editing toolkit. Combine it with other proofreading strategies for the best results. There you have it, learners. The reading backward technique is a simple yet powerful way to polish your writing and ensure it's free of those pesky errors. Give it a try the next time you're editing, and you might be surprised by how many mistakes you catch. We hope this video has shed light on this unique strategy and will aid you in refining your writing. Until next time, happy editing!